What kind of advice would you, and I know you're exhausted from that last question, so Mark, I'm going to ask you, what kind of advice would you give out to somebody who's starting off in the show lamb business, as it were?
I think that it's important, and we've hit on this time and time again, to start with the best one that you can.
Right.
And go to that breeder with as much information as you can about your show so that he can help you select an animal that will work for you. Mm-hmm. And then once you've given him the parameters for your show, you know, when's your show going to be? What's your ownership deadlines? Are there any weight parameters for that show? Things that you go to that breeder with as much information as you can about that show, and he can help you find an animal to meet your needs to a much higher degree. And then second, when you're particularly dealing with young kids like some of the callers we've had so far,
sure,
it is really important as a breeder that we help find an animal that will match that kid, and especially in sheep, in terms of size and demeanor.
Sure.
Because if it takes someone with 30 years of experience to show that lamb to make it look good, then it's probably not the right individual for a young person. Find one that lends itself to that person much better.
And you said it earlier, and if you missed it at home, almost as important as choosing your animals, choosing the breeder that you get involved with, basically, so that you can have that good relationship, because, again, they want you to win.